Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be replacing a fuel filter on a Husqvarna yard tractor. Now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to be removing the hood for filming purposes. Don't forget to unplug your lights first. Now here's our fuel filter right here. And what I'm going to do to cut off the hose is I have these hose clamps, but you can also do something like this. You could get away with it yourself, just clipping it here and here, but for filming purposes, we're going to remove this side dash. Now there's two clips on this one, here and here. We're going to pop off. Yours may look a little different. Mine are kind of custom. And here, this just used to be a clip, but now it's screwed in. As you could probably tell, I just replaced this, but I didn't record it. So now what we're going to do is take our clamps, push them back, both sides. Now we're going to put our clamps on either side. Now we're just going to twist it off. As you can see, you'll still get fill. I hit the metal part. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this one works very well, does it? How weird. Alright, let's take our vice clamps. That's weird. There we go. That was weird. Didn't think there'd be so much fuel in there. Okay. Now this is a Briggs & Stratton. I'll put the part number. You can't see it. And we're going to push our new one back in. Both sides. Make sure they're all the way. Okay, now we can remove our hose clamps. Now we're going to put our clamps back by squeezing the tabs. Pull it all the way back. Same way on the other side. There we go. If you haven't done this already, like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all my videos. I don't just do mower maintenance, I do a lot of other things. Thanks for watching.